Hello, good morning everyone. So this is our 6th week. So our topic this morning is all about illegal mining. But before that, this is our objectives. A. Discusses what is illegal mining. B. Analyze the effects of environmental issues on the people's health. C. Develops way of critically evaluating health services. Illegal mining defines as the extraction of valuable minerals or other geological materials from the earth from an ore body, lode, vein, seam, or reef, which forms the mineralized package of economic interest to the miner in the absence of land rights, mining license, exploration or mineral transportation permit or of any document that could legitimate the ongoing operation. 3 ways to prevent illegal mining. Identify and protect areas most susceptible to illegal mining activities. Tighten regular controls on mine closures. Establish a task force to crack down on illegal mining and trafficking. Effects of illegal mining: soil erosion, destruction of river banks, change how the river flows. Deforestation is the destruction of big areas of forest. Effects of deforestation: soil erosion, greenhouse effect, denuded upland, silting of rivers and dams, degraded water, flooding, destruction of coal along the coast. Flash floods is a sudden flood of great volume, usually caused by a heavy rain. Effects of flash floods: causes of diseases such as cholera and other waterborne diseases, loss of life, contamination of drinking water, destruction of sewage system, destruction of dams, and destruction of leaves. Soil erosion happens when soil and rock are from one place to another by wind, water, and gravity. Effects of soil erosion: unproductive use of land, difficulty in raising of livestock, silting of artificial lakes, loss of soil and vegetation, which cause climate change. Kinds of pollution. Pollution means any alteration of the physical, chemical, and biological properties of water, air, and or land resource. Air pollution means any alteration of the physical, chemical, and biological properties of the atmospheric air. Water pollution means any alteration of the physical, chemical, biological, or radiological properties of a body of water resulting in the impairment of its purity or quality. Noise pollution is the excessive sound that causes hearing loss, stress, fatigue, irritability, tension, headaches, and high blood pressure. Soil pollution is chiefly caused by chemicals in pesticides such as poisons that are used to kill agricultural pests like insects, and herbicides are used to get rid of weeds. Soil pollution results from unhealthy methods of soil management, harmful irrigation methods. Coral reefs are diverse underwater ecosystems built from calcium carbonate secreted by corals. Coral reef can be categorized into the following coral cover: estimate, through line, intercept, transect method. Effects of coral reefs: habitat loss for herbivorous fish species, increased disease susceptibility, corals damage, probability of corals discovery, color change of the corals, less productive algae. Waste disposal is the proper disposal of a discarded or discharged material in accordance with the local environmental guidelines or laws. Solid waste management refers to the discipline associated with the control of generation, storage, collection, transfer and transport, processing, disposal of solid waste. According to RE number 9003, there are many ways to do solid waste management. A highly recommended formula is adopt the 3 R's of ecological waste management: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Ways to prevent deforestation. Plant tree. Buy recycled products, certified wood product, go paperless from home and office. Raise awareness in your creek and in your community. Ways to prevent flash floods. Plant more trees. Throw your garbage properly. Tackle climate change. Introduce water storage area. Help the community clean the environment. To prevent soil erosion. Plant grass and scrub. Add mulch or rocks. Build retaining walls. Improve drainage. Reduce watering if possible. Work for environmental health. Environmental factors affecting health. Number 1, physical, housing, environments, conditions. So, cleanliness and sanitation, ventilation, noise and sound levels, lighting and illumination, indoor air pollution and smoking. Chemical, home gardening, nutrition. Biological, waste management, preventions of diseases that can be transmitted by animals. Social, exercise, recreation, psychosocial, family relationships. Okay, any clarifications about our topic this morning? So if none, thank you so much for your listening. And if you have time, you just visit our e-learning site.